Trinity Presbyterian Church. Trinity Presbyterian Church. That's the host. The shape of the Trinity Presbyterian Church. And now a church of Pentecost. A church of Pentecost. The church of Pentecost. Ascension Methodist Church. Ascension Methodist Church. One of your Christ Apostolic Church. Christ Apostolic Church. And the woman in the Massify. There was your Catholic Embassy. Zue. Absolutely. But I'm also Zue. Namudi at the bar. Zue. Hey, Zue. Zue. You comprehend? Let's be like go. It's wrong. And I'm your St. Paul Anglican Church. St. Paul Anglican Church. And I'm your number. St. Paul Anglican Church. And I'm your number. And 200 years. Uzama Church International. And I'm Wobai. Church International. The Divine Healer Church. House of Faith Ministry. House of Faith Ministry. The Apostolic Church, Ghana. The Apostolic Church, Ghana. Faith in God Prayer Ministry. Faith in God. Faith in God Prayer Ministry. Deeper Life Bible. Deeper Life Bible Church. Unity Assemblies of God. You already was saying what I said. Madam Helen, chairman, Madam which chairman? You, upon the Gospel Revival Royal Palace. Gospel Revival Royal Palace. And I want to know, Jesus benefit issues. Church of Christ. But the woman. And I want to put it down. Take a look at me. Don't let them know why I'm better than the confidence. And I know you. Salvation in His presence. Our home. Roman Catholic Church. Hey, Waba. Everyone who tries to come. There's and I don't want to go back behind the hammer. I'll promote the man at the head of hammer. Apostle Revelation Society. What's it called? Center for Christ Chili. Center for Christ Chili. The Mountain Church. The Mountain Church. Life Message Church. Christian Praise International. Gateway Apostolic Ministry. Gateway Apostolic Ministry. And I lift up to all nations prayer ministry. All nations prayer ministry. You, Father. There are more and I have one sort of answer to see. You also say that I am at home. That is better than our husband.